All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty exciting video as well. Really excited about this one. Yeah, I've been waiting for this package for about 4 days, and it's finally here. And yeah, this is, I guess you guys have from the title, this is an old version of a Rapt. Yeah, so far I've only ever tried the new models of the Rapt V2, the SGS, and the SSI. And yeah, let me open this up without showing my address, if I even can. Hold on. I'm gonna open it this way. So recently I decided that I'm gonna collect the old version of the Rapts too, or at least try them out, see how I like them. If they're really bad, I will not, but I just want to try them out. I guess this needs to be cut more. That should have done the job. There we go. And here it is. Go ahead and throw this out. Don't need that. Alright. Here we go. I don't think this is the original box for this thing. So yeah, it just says Zerk machine finish. So here we go. Nicely packed. You got a Modusworks sticker. But all right, let's see. This is really nicely packed, I will say that. All right, here we go. So this is the bronze Skelly / spiral Rapt. Look at that thing. Looks beautiful. Personally, I think the Skelly version of the Rapt is like the prettiest. Oh yeah, I'm already gonna tell you guys, I am gonna like these older versions. These magnets are definitely strong. Look at that. Looks amazing. This is the spiral side, Skelly side. All right, let me go ahead and, one sec. Let me get the weight of this thing for you guys. It's pretty hefty. Come on. 82 grams, okay. Just so you guys know the weight comparison between 1 sec. $77.67. This is the titanium body wrapped. 67, I mean 68. Right? God, this scale is weird. 70.5. This is a full stainless steel body. 86. And then this is my Damascus wrapped. 65. So lightest, heaviest, third heaviest. No, wait. Heaviest, second, third, fourth. There we go. I definitely love the look of this thing. I will say that. Alright, let me put these off to the side for now. I'm gonna continue taking a deeper look at this. I think I will need to get some custom inserts from Alfonso. He makes 3D printed stuff for older wraps that Jonas doesn't make anymore. I'm pretty sure. But if Jonas doesn't make them, I will get them from them. Yeah, I will definitely need weaker magnets. I'm curious to see what is inside. I'm gonna open it up. Get the right screw. All right. Great, we got a garbage truck coming. I'm gonna pause and I'll continue in a second. All right, the garbage truck is left. Finally, we can continue. First, I'm gonna open up this side, see what's in here. I think they're all strong inserts, but we shall see. There we go. Yep, this is strong. There we go. All strong. Wait, I think these are the same size inserts. 1 sec. If I'm not mistaken, they should be the same size. Need to get the right ones out. Come on. There we go. Wait, yeah. It should be the same size. Let's find out. Well, let me just, first of all, look at both sides, see what's in there, and then we can start messing with it. All right, so this side again, you open it up. There you go, aluminum strong. Let me see what else is written here. It's really stuck there, huh? There we go. Rapt number 094. Cool. Got the serial number there too. That's pretty nice. These are the rubber, I believe. Yeah, the rubber inserts. Alright, here we go. Putting them back. And then closing it up. There we go. Now let's do the Skelly side. There you go. Also aluminum strong. Let's see what it says here. Rapt number 048. Interesting. I'll have to like ask Zach and how these work and stuff like that. I don't like is it the 48th Skelly body made, or is it like the 48th bronze Skelly body made? So I'm not too sure about that, but I'm trying to figure that out, and then I'll let you guys know in the future videos, or maybe I'll even like put a clip right after this. So yeah, that's that. Actually, since now we know what's in here, let me see if these inserts will work. Let me get the magnets out. I think I'll need to order some more magnets from Jonas. Some strong and small. I mean strong and medium. So let me get out the 2 strong. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. These are magnets from this. Alright. Now I want to take out these inserts. Put these in here and see if they will work. I mean, yeah, they do. And there we go. Yeah, I will definitely need some more magnets from Jonas. Oh yeah, that feels a lot better already. Let me go ahead and switch out this part as well. We can try it with these also after that. Make it as heavy as possible. So yeah. There we go. What are you putting in? Oh yeah, the soft magnets. Come on. Oh. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trying to keep those magnets separate. Oh yeah, that feels a lot better. Hybrid is the way to go, my guys. For sure. But also Alfonso makes custom 5-click inserts, which is pretty cool. I mean 4-click, sorry, not 5-click. Alright, now I'm gonna try the brass inserts. And that will be simple. So I'm gonna put this inside this box right now to keep it separate. Alright, let's put some brass inserts. Actually, let's try it without the rubber things first. You can like you can see the magnets moving in there, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is a lot louder than it was. My Apple Watch is dead. I need to charge it. Yeah, later I will try it with the sound decibel reader. But wow, this is a lot louder. Zach calls this the divorce mode. Well, I'm not married, so I don't gotta worry about that. This is the crunch with only one of these taking out on the stainless steel. It is a lot more, as you guys can tell. And what's it called? Jonas is known for his bronze. He's got like one of the nicest bronze materials in the Fidget space, to be honest. It doesn't smell. It's a patina metal, but it doesn't really smell like that. Alright, one sec. Alright, so I will test the sound test later, but for now I'm just gonna what's it called? try the brass inserts. There we go. Oh, that looks amazing. Look at that. Brass with bronze. That looks amazing. Just so you guys know the weight. $89 grams. This is like the heaviest thing I'll have, and if I keep these brass plates, I mean inserts on, it's pretty crazy. Alright, now let me see what it sounds like with the rubber inserts. There we go. There we go. I guess it's nice. There's some crunch left, but not too quiet. This is nice. Oh yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna put on the strong ones back on and then test the sound with the dampeners and without the dampeners. And then I'll call that a video. It's been going on long enough. There we go. one side strong back on. I don't know, I kind of do like these strong setup just a bit. Maybe just because it's different from what I'm usually used to. But it does fatigue out my hand a lot quicker, I'll say that. One, two, three, four. Okay. This is so goddamn annoying. There we go. Let's go. Oh, oh yeah, I definitely like that. This is gonna be like my strong Rapt whenever I'm feeling like getting some strong clicks. This is gonna be it. So yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. It's been a long one. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Just know a lot more Rapts coming to the channel soon. Keep an eye out for those. And yeah, one second, let me put these back real quick. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. Leave a like, comment below what your favorite Rapt is, or material, or model or version. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Oh, also don't forget to check out the Modusworks page down below. I will leave it down there. I post a lot there as well. And also don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below. You can use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.